Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a pile of goodies here to show you. They come to us from DIYChoose. I'm going to get into them. I'm going to show you some things. I was unbagging this one. I was like, holy cow, that thing is huge. What did I get? Anyhow, let's look at them. I got some fun stuff here as well. All right. So if you're new here, this is kind of what I do. This is one of the things I do is I show you diamond paintings from an array of different places. So if you're interested in finding something new, different, unique, hang out and you might see that. Hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more stuff that I have to show. All right, let's just start with this big one. All right, we'll start with this big guy because he's huge. And I was like, holy cow. All right, you know me and the gnomes, right? I've had 30 by 40 gnomes. I've had 40 by 40 gnomes, but this puppy, this one is a 50 by 50. Okay, now we know that's not going to be a full 50. You know, it's always going to be a little short with these poured glue budget kits. But let's see, how much do we get here? We get 45. So it's 45 by 45. It's big, isn't it? And look at Hello Fall. Can you read that? I can read that. This one's a girl. She's a girl. Look at her. She got her little braids. Isn't she cute? Yeah, I was like, this one's huge. What did I get that's so large? Anyhow, she's super cute, right? A legend on both sides. There's a thumbnail picture on both sides. The kit number's at the top. Everything looks pretty clear. Look at that. Look at that is like what? 1, 2, 3, 4 different colors just right there. Yes, lots of confetti on these things. They really do have a lot of confetti. Now, of course, this is all a white background, but, you know, besides that, there's quite a bit of confetti in them. Love it. I think she's super cute. Super cute. She's got pumpkins and sunflowers. It's very fallish. Toolkit. Oh, this one has a multi-placer. They don't always have one of those, but that one does. Nice. And a selection of baggies. Do I need to open these drills? Probably not. Look, there's all of the white. There's all of the white. And here's all of our colors. Some rust, some greens, tans, oranges, yellows, and some black. That's really it. Green for this pumpkin. We got a green pumpkin. Yeah, love it. It's probably a gourd, not a pumpkin. But anyhow. And then rusts and oranges and yellows. Love it. Isn't it cute? It's so cute. I love it. All right. So there's the big one. Got that one out of the way. Slide over there. Are you out of the way? Probably not. All right. I'll show you what else we have here. Okay. Oh, I lost a piece. Hang on. Let's see if I can get it. Hang on. All right. This came out of the bag. I had these open and it came out of the bag. It goes with one of these. I'm not sure which one. So let me show you what else I have. Okay. These looked like fun and I totally had my grandkids in mind when I saw these because, oh, it goes with this one. Look at that. Here's our toolkit. Okay. This is fun. Now, there is a piece of plastic on these that you will peel off. Trust me, it's there. You just got to peel it off here. I can't get it right now, but this is what you do. Okay, this goes here. I have already played with this. I have. This goes here. Come on. It might not go in here with that plastic on it. Seriously. That little thin piece of plastic on here, a little thin film, might just be, okay, let's just do this. I'll get it. Don't worry, I'll get it. Come on. Okay, there we go. So it does that. Look. Oh, look at it. It rocks. And then this guy will go in the center. And it's just a fun little toy. You know what I mean? Oh, come on. Oh. Why are you being difficult? I don't know. Being difficult. I can't get it in there. I don't know. I'll have to play with it. The other one went in just fine. Anyhow, it goes in there and he goes like that. Rocky, rocky, rock, rock, rock. All right. Yeah, I'll get it to go in there. Like I said, there's all these little pieces of plastic film and that's just enough to make it too tight. Anyhow, Look at him. Isn't he cute? And he's just going to rock back and forth. Do, 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 do. It's frog season. He's double. Oh, he is not double-sided. I am wrong. He's only one-sided. Is there plastic on the back, too? I don't know. No, I don't know. I don't think there is on the back. Just on the front. Anyhow, when you get all the little plastic films off, he'll fit in there. He wants to go in there right now, but the plastic's just making it so it won't happen. Anyhow, there's that guy. And I totally was thinking of grandkids when I got this, right? Grandkids would just love something like that. Goodness gracious. Everything's giving me a hard time today. Can't get the little packaging open here. Oh, I'm currently trying to upload my Whip and Chat, you guys. Been trying to upload my Whip and Chat today since 10:30. And it is now 2 o'clock. Yeah, and it's not my fault. It is all YouTube. It's going through checks. Checks are taking longer than usual. Okay, yeah, they sure are. Anyhow. All right, come on. Cooperate. A selection of greens for your froggy pleasure. Green, green, green. A gold, an orange, a clear, a blue, a red, and a salmon, and a pink. Who would think it had that many different colors, right? Then we have some yellow pearls, some blue teardrops, and some green iridescent marquee. Ooh, those are so pretty. Those pick up so many colors. Love them. All right, so I got that guy. All right, like I said, we'll play with it later. When you get all the films off, it works just fine. So I know that because I've already played with one. I played with this one. Yes, I did. All right, I have 2. Okay, and this one I've already put together, and it worked, you guys. This one worked. Okay, yeah. Even with the film on it, it all went together just fine. Anyhow, see? Look how easy that one worked. And then put this guy in here. See? Look at him. He works just fine, right? He's a little puppy dog. Isn't he cute? He's got a bone. He's so cute. They had several of these different, different varieties. I can't remember what they're called even. I'll link them below, of course, but what do you think? I think kids would just love it. I think they'd have a blast with them, right? It might be even a fun project to do with grandkids. They're not, they're one-sided. There's not that much to drill. I mean, look, we've got an amber, champagne, a yellowy gold, a clear, another champagne, another gold. It's supposed to look like brown. I guess he's supposed to be a brown dog. Then we have some white, some red, and some larger black ones. Nothing special except these right here. That's basically it. Anyhow, wouldn't they be fun? They would be fun. Just do that with the grandkids. I would love it. Yeah, they would love it. Okay, what else do we have? We have something that comes with pre-bagged drills. Look at that. A white, pink, black, gray, burgundy, some reds, another burgundy, a pink, and a purple. It's only like 13 colors there. Love it. Here's another toolkit. Now this is stuck to my painting, of course, right? It's just very simple. It's just a plaid love. I mean, I just thought it was cute. Why not? Why not, right? It's cute. I like it. So here's my thought with this one. It's got a lot of white background, but here I go again with the cutting off stuff. This one would be easy to do though. Just trim it and cut off most of the white background, leave a little bit of the white background, and then put this on something very pretty. A nice bright red paper or something like that, and mount it on that instead of diamond painting all of this white, right? I mean, it would be cute that way. I like it, okay? I like it. And there's our colors. All nicely pre-bagged. Love it. There's only 13 colors. It wouldn't be hard to do. That one would be quick and easy to do, actually. All right, one last thing. Came in this big old poly mailer thing here. Let me show you what I got. All right. Here's our drills. Here's our toolkit, which comes with some double-sided sticky tape because you're going to tape this puppy wherever you want to put it. I love this. So this is that foam. It's foamy. It bends, right? But you just stick it wherever you would like. Stick it wherever you want to. Put it on a wall, put it on a door, put it on a window, whatever you'd like to do with it, right? And it's just some pretty Easter eggs. We got some flowers down here and the bunny's hiding. Bunny's hiding behind the eggs. I like it. I like it a lot, right? It's cute. Love it. All right, let's look at the drills for this. They look like they're all rhinestones. We probably have some special drills. Let's see what we have. Now this is just half of the order. I saved half of it for another video. So there will be another DIYChoose video. Oh, goodness. Okay, here we go. Lots and lots of rhinestones. This is really pretty, though. Love that blue color. Hello. Focus. Love the blue. 3 bags of clear. So that's going to be all of these 2s, which is supposed to resemble the white. So it'll be the clear. Quite a big bag of pink. Oh, yeah. Pink ears, pink flowers. We have yellow, a green, a purple, another green, a blue, and orange. Okay, here comes the specials. All right, so we have this size orange faceted and a larger orange faceted. See, 2 sizes. Oh, then we go back to a rhinestone. That's just a regular rhinestone. Oh, we get some slivers. Oh, yay. More slivers. And then we have these teardrops. They're small teardrops, but slivers. Love me some slivers, right? Huh. Where's the slivers gonna go? All the flowers down here. Slivers, slivers. Blue ones and white ones with the orange centers. Yep. And then somewhere I saw the larger ones. Oh, here is where those larger teardrops will go, around those flowers. So it's super cute. What do you think? I like it. I like it a lot, right? What a different assortment of stuff. No true theme here. We got some springy stuff, some fall. We got, I don't know. I just got whatever caught my eye. There you go. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I will link them below if you are interested in any of these items, so you can go pick out some for yourself. And stay tuned for part 2. It'll be coming up, later, next week. Try to spread them out a little bit. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button, subscribe, come back, all those fun things. And I hope you have a great day. It's raining here, so I'm just inside filming videos. Yep. All right. I will talk to everybody soon. Take care. Bye, you guys.